Hey everybody, Mrs. Kroll here. This is going to be a quick presentation on logarithmic differentiation. So what is logarithmic differentiation? It's a way for you to take the derivative when you don't want to use chain rule, product rule, and or quotient rule. It makes it a little bit easier. If I would look at this first example that we're going to use logarithmic differentiation for, I would have to do quotient rule and then chain rule for both the bottom and the top. So it kind of makes it a little bit faster that way. So here are your steps. The first thing you got to do is take the natural log of both sides, then expand, take the derivative, multiply by y, and simplify if needed. So first thing I'm going to do, take the natural log of both sides, and then use those log properties to expand out this right-hand side. So the 2 exponent comes in front, natural log of x minus 2, division turns into subtraction, so minus 3 natural log of x plus 5. Now take the derivative. So we know it's u prime over u, so y would be y prime over y. U prime over u, so x minus 2, the derivative would be 1 over x minus 2, and this 2 just kind of stays in that fraction. Minus 3 over u prime over u, so 1 over x plus 5. And then the last step that you have to do is multiply by y to get y prime by itself. But I'm not going to put a y here. I'm going to actually write what y is, and that's x minus 2 squared over x plus 5 cubed. Now I could simplify. Again, it's always if needed. If it's a multiple choice question, this is probably not going to be my final answer, but if it's free response, no need to worry about simplifying. This is like very acceptable. If you are looking to simplify, the easiest way is to start by getting common denominators here, and then you'll get a couple things to cancel and combined. So here's going to be our next AP problem. Let y equal x square root of x squared plus 1 over the cubed root of x plus 2. And let's find dy dx using logarithmic differentiation. I would pause the video here, try the problem, and then come back for the answer. All right, so here should be your answer. Take the log of both sides, and I expand it at the same time. So x plus, because it's multiplying, 1/2 natural log of x squared plus 1, minus, because of the division, 1/3 x plus 2. Derivatives, y prime over y equals 1 over x plus, now this one, there was a little bit of simplifying that I did at the same time. So u prime would be 2x over 2x, I'm sorry, not 2x, x squared plus 1 times 1/2. So the 2 from this numerator and the 2 from that 1/2 are going to cancel each other out. Minus 1 over 3 times x plus 2. And I'm not going to distribute that out just yet, because when you get to your simplifying, if you actually decide to simplify, it's easier if it's not distributed. All right, so then the final answer, multiply both sides by y. And you can definitely leave it here. I did get common denominators and simplify if you would like to do that. This answer in blue would be your final answer with the common denominator. But again, double check always to see what it's asking you for. If it says free response, and then you can leave it and don't have to simplify down all the way, you definitely do not have to get a common denominator. All right, let us know if you have any questions.